Just going to add a couple of tablespoons of oil to this pan, and we're cooking everything on a medium heat. And first goes in some onions, and we've chopped them into nice little chunks. And then I'm going to put in 2 chicken breasts, and we've also cut those into nice little chunks. I'll give those a few minutes so they start to colour. I'm just going to add a little chicken seasoning, just a bit of extra flavour. And we'll just keep turning that chicken. I'm also adding a little sprinkle of curry powder to that. That's going to give it a nice kick. We've also got some nice chunky carrots, and I've part boiled them to soften them, and they can go in as well. And add a little bit of salt to that, and a bit of black pepper. I've also got some French beans and peas. They were also from garden. We blanched and froze those, so we can just take out a portion when we want. And then we've got those part cooked roast potatoes, so let's get those in as well. And then we'll just add that homemade sauce. And give that all a good mix. All we need to do now is bring this all up to temperature, and that's ready to eat. Or you can pop it in your slow cooker, knowing that those potatoes won't fall apart. And that's a quick, easy, spicy, creamy chicken stew.